Okay, dear students, today we will draw the sheet number 3. Okay, so I already uploaded the sheet number 3 in the Blackboard. You can check it. You have to print it on a A3 size paper, so it will be ready for you. Okay, so as for now I don't have that print, so I will draw a line. Suppose here in the sheet number 3 there are total 4 questions. Okay, question number A: bisect the line AB given. Okay, so first, so here there is no line, but if you print, there will be a line on the paper. You can draw it. Okay, so you have to print that sheet number 3 in A3 size paper. Okay, so as for now I am drawing a line. So the length of the line can be anything, just draw it randomly. Okay, so after drawing the line, name it as A, AB. Okay, now you have to, what is the question? Bisect the line. Bisect means dividing into 2 parts. Okay, bisect the line means dividing into 2 parts. Now, so here generally what you will think, if I ask you to bisect a line and divide into 2 parts, what you will do generally? Generally what you will do, you will measure the length. Suppose here the length is how much? 70. Okay, the length is 70 now. Okay, so after dividing it will be how much? 35 yani nus 3, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So the total complete length is how much? 70. It will be 35. So this is using the scale. Okay, but here we are in the drawing course, so we must know how to divide a line using the graphical method. Okay, so now take the compass. Okay, take the compass, this one or this one. This one is not good. I asked you to purchase this one. This one is accurate. Okay, because it is rigid. When you fix it, if you want to move it, you have to rotate the screw. But here this one, it is loose. Okay, sometimes it will slip while drawing, so it's better to purchase this one. So now take the compass. Okay, and measure more than half. Suppose it is half, yani not accurately, like it is approximately measure more than half. Okay, this is more than half. Shua zyada min nusf. Okay, so after measuring it, just keep the compass needle here and make an arc upside, make another arc downside. Okay, now similarly remove it and keep the nib here and make an arc upside, make an arc downside. Okay, so if you have an eraser, just delete the extra parts. Okay, so after this, what you have to do, make 2 dots at the intersections, this one and this one. You have to join them using a scale. Simply join them using a scale. Okay, now let's see whether we divided this into 2 parts or not exactly. Now if you measure, it will be exactly, the length was how much? 70, right? 70 millimeter. So nus, how much? Half should be how much? 35. Let's see whether it is 35 or not. See, exactly it is 35. See, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So this is correct. Okay, you need not to do this, but this is just a confirmation that you did it correctly. Okay, now question number B. So question number B also, there is an angle given in the sheet number 3. If you print it, it will be already there on your paper. If not, if you are also using a A4 size paper like me, you have to draw the angle. So for that, any angle, no problem, just take 3 dots like this. Okay, I just mark 3 dots like this. Okay, now join them. Okay, so this is the angle. We don't know how much angle it is. Let's see. So this is C D E. Okay, now let's measure how much angle is this. In order to measure it, you have to align with this 0. Okay, so it is how much? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, almost 75. Okay, the angle is almost 75 degrees. Okay, 75 degrees. Now you have to bisect this also. Yani you have to, so there is an angle like this. You have to cut this into 2 equal parts. Again bisect the angle. Okay, so in order to do that, what you will do, you can take any size like this, less than half. Okay, less than half of this and this, and keep it here at the corner and intersect this line and intersect this line. Okay, after doing this, keep the same radius and keep the compass here. Okay, and make an arc here and also keep it here and make an arc, and intersect the arc drawn before. Okay, so first keep it here, 1 arc, 2 arc, 3, 4. Okay, now remove the extra part, join it using the scale. So this point must be joined with the now let's see, the total angle is how much? 75 degrees. Now if I make it into half, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. Okay, again 1 5, 37.5 degrees, right? Okay, now let's see. So this is just a confirmation, okay, whether we did it correctly or not. So keep it here. Now measure 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, it's showing 37 and a little bit more. Okay, so this is the method how you divide an angle, given angle, into 2 equal parts. So question number B is also over. Now let's discuss question number C. Question number C, okay, is divide the line AB, same, divide the line AB into 5 exactly equal parts using drawing method. Now first what we did, we divided the line into 2 parts. Now we have to divide it into 5 parts. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to make construction lines. Okay, construction line, here one line and here one line at an angle of 45 degrees. Okay, let's do it here. I'm marking. Keep the protractor here and mark 45 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. At 45 degrees, make a dot. Similarly, rotate the protractor upside down and now this is mark 45 degrees from this side. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees. Keep it here, make a dot. Now he is asking in the question number C, is asking us to divide 5 parts. Okay, 5 parts. So in order to divide 5 parts, you can take any line. The length of the line can be multiple of 5. Okay, in order to divide it easily. Okay, if you take like 5 centimeter, you can take 5 centimeter. You can take the length as 10 centimeter. You can take the length as 15 centimeters. Okay, no problem. As per your choice, you can take 5, 10, 15, anything. So in order to ease it, okay, this is not the rule again, but in order to make the division easy, you have to take 5, 10, 15 like this. So now let's see. Keep the 0 point here and other point like other on this one. So here I want to, like, the space is there, you can move like up, you can go, you can take 5. Okay, if you take 5, okay, each part will be how much? Divided by 5, yani 1 centimeter. If you take 10, each part will be 2 centimeters. If you take 15, each part will be how much? 3 centimeter. Now we cannot take 15. We cannot take 15. Can we take 15? No, because it is going beyond the paper. Okay, now we can take 10. So let's go with the 10. Okay, this is 10. So draw a line till 10. Okay, so this is a construction line. It needs to be weak. Okay, it needs to be thin. So 10 centimeter, the length is 10 centimeter. 5 parts means each part is how much? 2 centimeters. So every 2 centimeters you have to make a dot. 2, 4, 6, 8, of course 10. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now I will make them 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Okay, now what you have to do? Same thing, like this 10 centimeter you have to draw it here again. Okay, so keep the scale here, keep the 0 point here and join this 45 degrees. Okay, like this 45 degrees and 0. After joining, again draw from 0 to 10. Okay, this is 10. So here also every 2 centimeters 1 dot. Yani see here 10 centimeter divided by 5 means every 2 centimeter one part. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So now here I will make them as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Actually you have to make double dash here, double dash, okay? Now what you will do, you have to join this end with this end, okay? Join this end with this end. And here the next point with 1 with 4, 2 with 3, 3 with 2, okay? Now here this is the first part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you made this line into 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, the total length is how much? 70 millimeters. 70 divided by 5, how much each one? 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. And each one 14, like it will be 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, okay? Let's see. See here, the first one is how much? 14. 10, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14. The next one 28. See here it is on 28. Just 2 less than 1, 2 less than 30 means 28. Next the third one is how much? 42. 4, 2. And the next one 56. 55, 56. The last one is 70. Okay. So we did it correctly. Okay. Now next question number D. Question number D, you have to divide in how many parts? 7 parts. So for 7 parts, so what is the length? You have to take the multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 will be like 7 centimeters, 14 centimeters, 21 centimeters, like this. Okay. Now let's see. So here which line we have to divide? We have to divide which line? Line DE. This line into 7 parts. Line DE must be divided into 7 equal parts. So now same procedure again. Okay. Now first what we did, we put the protractor here and make 45 degrees. Now the line changed. The line is this one, not this one. The line is DE now. So we have to put the protractor on the line DE. Okay. So keep it here and align the 0 line, this line on the line DE, like this. Okay. And this point should be in the corner. Now what you have to do, the next step is drawing, making a dot at 45 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. At 45 degrees make a dot. Now rotate the protractor upside down and keep it here, and from this direction measure 45 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees. See 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Make a dot. So let's check how much we can take. Okay, now keep the scale at 0. And align it like this. So now here we cannot take 21 because it is crossing 21, but we can take 14. Okay, but it will be too big when compared to the size of this one. It will be too big. Still you can take 14 this side and 14 this side. It will be too big. So in order to make it easy, you can take 7. Okay, now I am taking 7 itself. 7 by 7, how much? 1 centimeter. Any 1 centimeter, every 1 centimeter, one part. Okay, now I am taking the length as 7 centimeters. Okay, so here 7 parts. 7 parts means each part will be 1 centimeter. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already there, 6, 7. Okay, so now again mark them as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash. Okay, now similarly do it here. Keep the 0 here and align this. Then from 0 to 7 centimeters, and after each 1 centimeter you have to make a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now mark them as 1 double dash, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, 4 double dash, 5 double dash, 6 double dash, and 7 double dash. Now join this point with the end. Next 1 with 6, 2 with 5, 3 with 4, 4 with 3, 5 with 2, 6 with 1, and the 7 with. Okay, now so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is quite not visible. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the last one is 7. So we divided this line into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts. So this completes the sheet number 3. Okay, thank you.